the Flying Artificial Intelligence, the AI-powered drones. Artificial intelligence fundamentally developed from cats' brains. AI meets drones. What is an AI drone? It's literally flying artificial intelligence. Last month, the US DoD revealed AI drones that can target an enemy. It can tell if a person holds a weapon or not and chase a target in a moving vehicle. But how does a machine find the target and attack it by itself? Thanks to machine learning, a self-learning computer can emulate a person. You remember AlphaGo, the computer program developed by Google? It's an example of machine learning. It's great, but it's also a very scary technology. Convolutional neural network is a part of machine learning, and it's developed from not humans, but cat's eyes. They find the algorithm from optic nerves of a cat's brain. Difficult? Okay, let's assume there is a picture with a car in it. AI will study its overall shape and defines it as a vehicle. And then, it looks at the tires and logos and defines it as a car. Nailed it! This year, University of Zurich announced that drones are better at finding trails in mountains. How did they find out? They showed the AI 20,000 pictures of the Alps and let it climb the mountain. Human eye could only recognize 82% of the new trails, while the AI recognized 85%. So now we can say the AI drones are better at finding directions. It's great because it can help rescue missing persons in mountains. They can be weapons or rescuers, and it all depends on how we use them. Isn't it amazing? Cat's brains to flying AI. Let's see how the world will change with the new technology. See ya!